Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Gina. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Wagwan, how to do how things. Happy Saturday and a happy Sabbath to all the Sabbath keepers. Big up on yourself. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Yes, no. Make we get another things, all right? All right. So, my loves, you know what, me and Agnes the other day, we there. We go cross the fence, yeah. We go cross the fence over the people, them premises now, my love. And when we go over there, we see one caption put on over there, something pertaining to, oh no, no, the Lord, have mercy. I can't know one call the people them name, you know, man. Oh no, no, go back, go see me say, oh no, no, the lady with the name Stacy from over Jamrock Goodies. Yes. Uh-huh. So we see one thing put up over Laura water. I mean I say but no, but they me people you know in a social mix up. Social media mix up. Because so when me go a fear yard, me either go church or prayer meeting or worshiping session and you know her little raffling where she go on with her business over there. Then she end up over here so fear name end up over here so in a bangarang. So me I say, you know what? I'm not going to sit down and listen to Lord, you know. Me they go over them myself. They go take me 2 years them and me 2 years them. Fi see and hear a galang and why then take the woman business name and will cock up over here so like a good parax the one. So I said, all right, I'm going over there to see what is what because he say when do say Lord them when it come to this side of the diaspora, yeah, you know them can be trusted. Them only want hear one little thing. Them no want no proof. Them not try to get no understanding and nothing. Them just want to see something. And then they run with it, say, a scamming. So I said, I shall not listen to Lord them and run with anything. I'm going over there to go get the full understanding for myself. I hear what, you know, the Jamrock lady got to say. Mhm. Yes, my love. When it come to them, when he's not wanting his dinner, them right lady did for all these years, and you know them kind of gear little poor little back a little break now. And now you know the landlord lady down at Portland. Yes, she been a get the riding now for the past couple of weeks, and now them come now fi go after this young miss now. That are the Stacy lady from over the Jamrock place there. So. So I said, you know what? I'm going over there. So I call Agnes. I say, Agnes, come. We got work to do. So, no. So, this young miss, she recently come out to the public seeking assistance for her disabled sister. You understand, my love? So, she do a video, you know, a beg her, she a plead to the public because I guess that are the only option she have now for come out to the public because she have two kids here, two kids of her own herself, and as she alone, so the thing tough, it hard. So the video now it starts circulate all over the media now. People start sharing all about and you know them started now to develop compassion for the young miss. So now the video somehow we reached to Jamrock Goodies. You know the Jamrock lady? Yes, the video reached to her now and she decides say, all right, she got offer the assist with for her like a platform over there. You understand? So she put it out there and you know she get up where she could have gathered together. Right, and for all who are follow Jamrock over there, who don't know, say she no hand over cash when she collect any little thing for anybody. She don't hand over cash. It's a food. So from day one, everybody know that say she do not hand over cash. It must be for some little reason why definitely she will put out little cash like where she say with the donkey lady that are the Dian lady. So she did end up having her cash. But other than that, she no give out cash. You understand? It's a food, and more food, no cash. No cash. So, you know what the donors them come on board now, you know, my love, and I don't remember the exact amount that, you know, the Jamrock clearance says she collect, but it's over $1,500. Yes, so, you know what she collect up, but she said after she collect up the money now, she a look into it because she say from she depend on her platform and she a collect money for assist people. She never collect so much yet because, you know, remember say her food she hand over and that money. So she has sent out that. The young miss can't eat have so much money in her food. So she and I wonder if she fi bless other people on our platform, people in line who are wait to get assistance to from it. So I guess she didn't know say pan our life over there to get the one as them opinion and the young miss was on the life. So it seems like I know say from there so she get up into her feelings. You understand my love? Yeah, and listening now, you know, my dear children. May I listen to the Jamrock lady? Yes, may I listen to her? And to me, now, when me I get a enough for me get a reaction now, is like, say, you know, them need have a communication issue with in terms of the back and forth communicating issues did it. Plus, you know what she said, a lot of red flags did raise. What cause her to become suspicious, so she has a second guess the thing. She a second guess it. And she said that she has said that you know something in her spirit I tell her say something not right. You understand something not right. That's all she said the spirit I tell her. Now further down in the life, she has said there are times, you know, when she called the young miss, she called her several times and she don't pick up. She sent her messages and the messages were read and still no response. And persons did offer to send our diapers too. So you know them get the diapers them. And the Jamrock lady now she send the diapers them to our house. And when she send them to our house now, it's like she was not there. She knew they were coming to deliver the diaper, but she was not there. So now when the individual now go to drop off the diaper because she was not there, you know what the young miss now asks her neighbor to collect it. So you know say in a them online charity thing, yeah. Well not charity, give back because Jamrock session and you know do not charity. So you know them want picture of a proof say it did handed over, but the neighbor now never want take no picture. And in other part them understand the part they can me wouldn't want to get no picture or collect no diaper for nobody either. She never want take no picture. When them ask now if say the young miss, that is the disabled sister now, them a say, she know they who but in the first life where the young miss do, she said that you know the sister now left the house, she still locked away, so she now left the house. So it raised suspicion because them a said then if she not left the house, how come she not did it? And you know, nobody don't know where she did. So them become even more suspicious of the thing. Right, so after the person know my love, we drop off the diaper, reach out back to the Jamrock lady, she has said something not right. You understand something not right? So a whole lot of suspicion arise from that. Now when the Jamrock lady now I call the individual, she not get her, she not respond to the message them so I we up in the hours and night before she see caller coming from her and she say from her and she say she not answer no phone them the hours and night dear. So the individual now send a long old voice message over 6 minutes. Right. And a lot of things them where I say in the messages, them where she I get, she I say, you know, them not sit well with her. Them not sit well with her. So she decides, you know what, she now move forward with it. Even though she tell the young miss say she can still get food and so it seems like say the young miss still up in her feelings because she now get all of the money will come figure. You understand? So the young miss now decide to take it to her platform now and you know she come past social media and she put out a whole heap of things out there. I say a whole heap of something about the Jamrock lady pertaining to her, the little girl and the money. So you know the Jamrock lady, she send back the whole of the donors them the money. She send them back them money. She not bother buy no food or anything. She them get back them money. And she said, oh no get it back, tell her to keep it until whenever. So because that lady now, you know, she come out and she do that live now. I explain why she wasn't home. And the whole work she somehow reach now to Lorlor. Somebody pick it up, carry go give Lorlor. Cause I know say I know Lorlor see it half her hood. As somebody pick it up, carry go give her. And my dear love, she could even make it cool. She could even make it cool. She run out on her platform, my loves. Run out on her platform and start labeling the woman as scammer and start talk how Lady D breed up a whole heap of scammers. But I can't understand what me can't understand is that how this individual become a scammer when all of the money is sent back. Hmm? Explain that part there to me. Explain, because me can't understand it. If you like I said, if my brain now function so wonderful, you understand it a malfunction because if the money is sent back to each and every individual will donate money, Then how scamming reach there so? Hmm? How scamming reach there so? Because even when the Jamrock lady I do the live, I explain to the people them, you can see people in the comment section and say send back them money them now, but I give her them money. You understand? And this again lead to transparency and communication. And everything where you do communication is key. So if the lady a call her, she now get her and you know I get a lot of run around her. So then what not think I go happen? Yes, it a go raise suspicion. And with so much somebody now only down sit down and wait. If you run with any and everything we cross them, then I want know if a truth or if a false. And a money involved in this. And this, I guess she a try prevent, people running up and down with our name and our business, yes. So, all of this she a try to prevent, hence the reason why she decide say she a go send back the people them money. So, me no know, my love, me no know. But listening to the Jamrock lady, it sound like, there are things where she not really come out concept because she not play the young miss voice note. Them, you understand? So, there are other things where never sit right with her. Things behind the scenes where she not really come out concept that cause her to start second guessing the whole thing. Me no know how me feel because basically, anybody who came across that video that video that the young miss put out, if you have any heart at all, you would have feel some form of compassion. And me no know the Jamrock lady personally, but me not think say she would have get help with somebody and out of the blue you get up and say your spirit will tell you otherwise. Your spirit will tell you otherwise. And hence, when you're coming out for help from the public, at all time you have to be open and you have to be honest. From the beginning, from day one. So we can't too blame the Jamrock lady from send back the money. You understand? Because we don't know what the communication was like between both of them. She play her voice note, she not play the individual voice note. So we don't know. But me, the Jamrock lady shows, being as me collect already, more than make she get it. You understand? Because we say the need is there. More than make she get it. More wouldn't bother send it back. I would make sure say everything, documented. So at the end of the day, if push will come to shove, then I would have all of that as proof. And with the young miss now, my love, me in a fear position now, come here, try to put myself in a both of them position. Me in a fear position now, and me I get little help and me here say, me not go get all lighter, so. Well, me not go get up in my feelings. Yes, me I go get up in my feelings, but then me not go make no big deal out of it. You understand? Come me never work nothing put in nobody pocket. Me put my video out there, people decide to assist. And me get little, me not get all, but me get some, me go satisfy. Because the same way God opened that door there, He would have opened another door. You understand, my love? So me personally no wouldn't make it get so far. Me say thanks and me gone, but me business. So Lord, now them, my love, them take it and, a whole nether level them gone with every day them come out panning out this whole scamming thing, scamming. So it reach back to the Jamrock lady ears and she decide say who she not go take it like that because she not make them tarnish our business. She say if Lorna did come out and refer to her by her name and say Stacy, then she would have overlook it. But for I drum the business name in a hall of this year, you understand with so much negativity. Sit well with her. So she make Lord know say she sending her a warning. And the warning go say she might not be the one. She might not be the one. You understand? Because it's between me and no make it. You understand? Say they tore them into the same state. Yes, my love, it tore them into Maryland. So it easy. Figure after Lord, the legal way. The legal way, don't get it wrong. It easy. Figure after Lord, the legal way. And Lord, my two words to you, that mouth, the way you have that mouth of yours, Lord, you're not tap until it land you somewhere where you know want to figure. And at the end of the day when the mouth land, land you anywhere, how you alone are going to stay landed there because the speaker or everybody else we are calling them now, God did they help you. You understand? And you alone and Jesus alone. That if Jesus decide to help you to, I go buckle it out. So you sit down by your platform and have people call you and I tell you all kind of thing and I tarnish people name, I tarnish people brand, I tarnish people reputation without the facts of the story them. And the worst part, I them back a lock door, not a soul now. See them into darkness behind closed door, and you they out there into the light. See that hearing and you know putting out a lot of things out there, a lot of things out there. That mouth of yours, Lord, that mouth of yours, it is going to land you somewhere where you don't want to be landed. And that landing not going to be an easy land. It's going to be a hard landing. I mean, women, I go sorry for you. I know I am not going to sorry for you. Because you who don't like the lady down a yard, you understand? As soon as you see anything put out there with anybody where you know socialize or associate themselves with her, you know quick to take you up and run with it, passing it on like a relay button. And uno I go find the bad in everything because even if the lady did hand over all of the money, right, or anything should go wrong, uno see one I go come out and say the same thing say she has scam. Uno I go say she should have know and she should have see and she shouldn't do this and she shouldn't do that. Uno same one I go come out cause say she and the young miss did plan it up together and whatever. And them something that uno go say no. So there's nothing that is done out here on social media we can do for please uno and uno no find something out it and run with it. So if the lady decides that she go follow her spirit and work with her spirit, me no see the big deal in it. I don't see the big deal in it. The good part is that the donors then get back their money. And if the donors them want for help now, all them have to do are contact the individual, contact the young miss, contact the young miss. Pan our number because our number is out there to the public. Jamrock no have to come out there and do it. She decides she not do it because something not sit well with her. Anybody else want to do it? Anybody will receive back their money want to donate? Contact the individual directly. No hard in that. A simple thing. So uno taking out you know and I make a big deal out of it. Lord, she not giving up because despite the fact that the warning is being put out there, she's still not on top. She's still over there galanging and having calling programs. So she not on top. So Lord, anything sweet you hit a go sour you one of them day. Yeah. Anything sweet you it is going to sour you one of these days. You are going to land up yourself somewhere. So I hope your pocket them line with gold or your money tall. Or you're strong enough to go rub sentence in a workhouse. And I hope everybody else where they on the platform boosting you along. When your time come, then stand back and you see them way. And if you should land up in our course, then come do some of the time with you. You understand? Because you don't feel to believe say out here so it's social media. Anything you put out here, it is here to stay. Anything you delete, gone is still there, kind of. Once you put it out here, it is here to stay. No matter how you erase and retrack and write it, and because when time comes, we dig up, it will dig up and be found. So yes, my love, this is my 2 cents on the topic. So I wish you into another video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Peace out, enough love and appreciation as always. You reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet. Touch the like button, show a girl some love, show us girl some support. Peace out. Later on. Bye bye.